Welcome. This is lesson number 2. This is chapter 12, Tolbert Physical Science, chapter 12. This is going to be lesson number 2. Tensile strength is a measure of how much stress a material can withstand before breaking. You might remember tension, and when we were talking about tension, that was the two objects pulling in opposite direction along that similar line. So tensile strength measures that. Hardness measures a solid's resistance to scratching. Okay, so if you steel and aluminum. So there is a difference between strength and hardness. Strength is the ability to bend without breaking, so to speak. So you can apply a force. The more force you can push on it without causing it to change, that is strength. Where hardness has to do with resistance to scratching. Elasticity describes a solid's ability to be stretched and then return to its original size. We're used to that when we're talking about bouncing balls. Here in the picture you can see the ball bouncing and it stretches or deforms and then it goes back to its original shape. Brittleness. Brittleness is defined as the tendency for a solid to crack or break before stretching very much. So some things don't want to bend and stretch out of place. They just shatter or brittle. Ductile. A ductile material can be bent a relatively large amount without breaking it. Ductility, the various definition of it can be its ability to be drawn into wire. So if you can bend it without breaking it, that's ductility. Bending without breaking is ductile. Malleability is its ability to be pounded or turned into smooth sheets. So if something is malleable, it can be made into thin sheets. Aluminum, as you already know, has a high malleability. A fluid is defined as any matter that flows where a force is applied. As we already know, water, air, liquids, and gases are fluids. Liquids like water or silver are kinds of fluids. Air we breathe is a fluid because if you push on it, it can flow. And this is the last slide of today, talking about fluids. You are ready to take the Lesson 2 Schoology quiz. Thank you.